Hello friends, today I will tell you how to make a Google test, how to make a test in Google Classroom. So first of all, I'll just click on Chrome, then you will see the Google search engine will open. So I'll write Google Classroom. So when I open the Google Classroom, this Google Classroom I'll open. Then you will see on this screen, this Google Classroom, these three lines have come. So when I click on these three lines, there are so many classes will open. So I will just make a test in this 10th D. Suppose this is my class where I am the class in charge. Then this sheet will open for 10th D. Here class work I will open. Then I will create quiz assignment. So this is title. I'll write lesson 1 10th biology. Okay, then create, or no need to create. Yes, sorry. Now this blank quiz description 10th lesson 1 lesson 1 biology. Okay, now I'll just click over this untitled questions. So I will write questions. For example, some biology question I will add, so which will help you to understand how the question can be made or how the correction can be done. For example, in this, if I add the question 1, the opening and closing of the stomatal pore depends upon, this is the question, this is the multiple choice question. Now option I'll just click on the option. Then first option is OXYGEN, oxygen. Then I'll add on the second option. Second option is TEMPERATURE, temperature. Then third option, water in GUARD, guard cells. Then add option, fourth it will come itself, concentration of CO2 in stomata. These all has come. Now I'll just go on the answer key. Here the point I'll write 1. Add answer feedback. So the answer feedback of this is water in guard cell. The answer is, here are two options, incorrect answer and correct answer. So I'll write correct answer. So you take care of this. WATER, water in GOUARD, guard cells. Then you save. This our first question is ready. We will write done. This is our first question is ready. Now I will go to the second question by this icon, add question. Now this will be second question. which is the first enzyme to mix with food in the digestive tract? Question mark. Option 1, which is the first enzyme to mix with food in the digestion? Option 1 is pepsin. Then click on second option, cellulose. Then third option, amylase. Then fourth option, trypsin, trypsin. Then I'll add answer key. 1 mark, answer feedback, correct answer. Then the answer is C, amylase. amylase, amylase. Save and done. So by this way I'll make. Okay, now from there I'll just go or it will automatically save in draft, you can say. Up to this you understand? By this way, so these are the total number of question are 2 and 2 marks. So remaining, if you want to send it, you can send by this message, you can send by this copy, you can send by this Facebook or Twitter, whatever. Okay, so these are the different response that you can do. You can copy, print, add, if you want to add anything. Okay, these are the things. Now if you close this, you see this is the blank quiz and these are the questions. It will stored in this. So this is all about how to make the quiz. Okay.